Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I have one more unboxing. So it's not actually into a box, but one of the deals that I also found from the Amazon warehouse liquidation store is one of these microphone soundproof, I forgot, condenser, I forgot what it's really called, but it's like for when you're recording music and you don't really have like a whole soundproof room. This can also help you. It's on a tripod actually. I'm not sure if I'm gonna this up so you guys can actually get an idea of how it is. It can get taller than this, but I didn't pull out the tripod for you guys to see. So this is how it looks. And guys, I got this for $10 at the warehouse, the Amazon warehouse store, and it's really a good deal. Normally they're ranging maybe around $80 or so. You can find some cheaper, but this brand that I looked at, it was around 60, sorry, it was around 80 something dollars. I'll include the price to make sure as well, so you can check it out on Amazon to see how much the value was. So it is literally, it comes with a pop filter, which is good, and it comes with the soundproof like shield, which is nice as well, and it's in good condition as you can see. And I'm so happy with this as well. So I got my microphone over there, and I got this little thing here, so you kind of have an idea what I'm trying to create, right? So yeah, so yes guys, this is one more thing that you need to go to Amazon warehouse liquidation warehouse to check them out. They have good deals, so you just have to search and go there at the right time to find these good stuff. So yeah, this is just a quick and short video, so check out my other videos then to see what else I find from the Amazon warehouse. All right guys, I'll see you in my other video. Bye.